Hey guys, welcome back. So in the last video we got our sugar gliders, this little ball pit with these little fuzzy poms in it, and they kind of threw one out of the cage, so Menchie got it. And here you can see her playing around with it and going crazy. So she was very happy to have a new toy that the sugar gliders gave her. A few days later, we also got one of the little robot vacuums to help us with the animal fur, and in this next clip you'll see it's them seeing the robot for the very first time, so noise warning. She got out of the bed and stretched. Look at her, she hates it. It's okay, kitty. It's gonna get stuck in between the chair. Okay, so